Hi guys, how you doing? Uh, Welcome to this week's analysis. I hope you guys were able to catch some trades. I told you I'll be selling on. Let me go over the USD pairs, GU and AUD USD. I told you I'm looking for a sell, but I told you I need a break, right? I need a break of a low. So we have a low here. It was broken here, retested of this trend line. If you're able to catch it, congratulations. Told you I will be selling them. The CPI news, the whole week, last week was full of red folder news. I hope you were able to catch some trades. I didn't trade AUD USD since I got in on GU sell, but it sold as well, gave a lot of break and retests. But I caught a buy on this when I have a break of the high. I got in here and because I knew this was, we have some gaps here that needed to be filled. So I took a long back to the retest of this broken support area here. So what else? So last week again, I wanted to sell EURGBP because it was it was already diverging. So I got into early. I was spiked out though, a little amount, but then now it has broken a low and is retesting that same area again. So coming this week, I will be seeing if I can join in on the sell. I'll see if I can join in on the sell. I might be too early for my first entry, but I will see how I can join in again, guys. I'll see how I can join in again. I'm still looking out for it. I need to remove this. I'm still watching out for it. So I will be looking on how I can join this, at least back to this broken area. So we have a black trend line, a daily trend line that has just been broken. Right, so at least to get back on a retest, I knew it has to come down. So I was just a bit too early in entering. So what I can do is I can simply wait for a break of this low because I don't want to get in again and get, smoked. I have a break and retest confirmation already though, but then I can easily wait for the break of this low, then try to join in on the short. If it comes back and retest this low after breaking it, my stop loss is going to be maybe 32 pips. And I'll be trying to see if I can stop on this trend line, something like this, or a retest of this broken zone. This was just a pure bullish movement and it has not retested. So we can expect it to come back to retest this black trend line or something. So I'll be looking to short EURGBP. But for EURGBP to come down, that means GBP needs to be strong. So you have to watch out for this news as well. So that means if this will be coming down, then pairs like GJ, GU will be going up. Do you understand? So on GJ, I caught this beautiful cell. It was so fantastic. I love this setup, the way it played out perfectly, the break, the retest, but then it is retesting a broken trend line now, and it is already diverging. So for this week, I'll be looking to buy. I will be looking to buy. You know the rules, guys. We don't buy until we get, the break and the retest of this. I think I need to take this out since we're down. So we can use this negative 27 point as what we need as a high that needs to be broken. Right, we can use it as a high that needs to be broken. So a break of this high and trend line and a retest, we'll be seeing if we can get this to go up. So that's what I have on GJ. Like I said, EURGBP, I'm looking for a sell, a break of this low, and a retest I get in. GBPCAD, I'm in on a sell on GBPCAD. Finally, guys, we've been looking for a way to short GBPCAD for some time now. It is long overdue. We've been having divergence for like how many weeks now? And we kept on following. I told you even this trend line, I'm not really, which is actually my first confirmation. It broke that trend line, retested it. It was a good setup to take. I got in and got out around here. Now, it now broke my bigger trend line. I retested the zone. You can see this low. It has been a support ever since. Now it is broken, and now it is retested. We can look for more down, at least maybe to here or here. So on GCAD, I'm still looking to short, but I'll be careful because if we are looking for EURGBP to come down, then pairs like GCAD might go up. You understand? So always just wait for your confirmations and trades. It will come to you. So this will be my trigger. If this trend line is still respected, in as long as it's still respected, I'll stay in this trade until it comes back to retest this broken area. But once it is broken, I'm getting out. Once it's broken, I'm getting out. So that will be, this trade, I left it over the weekend. I'm still looking for more down movement. So I will be waiting for it. But once it breaks this trend line, I will stop the trade. So that's what I have for you on GCAD. GBP USD, I'm looking to buy it as well. Right, we have divergence, we have double or triple bottom already. So what I can see is, I don't know, I think this support level can hold, but if it breaks and retests this trend line, I'll try and buy it because we have a lot of gaps here, guys. I can see, and this is liquidity right here, double top, right? So I'll try and buy at least maybe to this zone to retest and fill up all these gaps. So I'm looking to buy it for a while, then it can then sell again. AUD, USD, same thing. Like I said, we have divergence too. So let me just remember this since we've cleared the trades we took. So what we can do on it as well is, you can have your, let's just use this one. Okay, so we can have our trend line like this, right? And actually, this is actually another block that is being respected. You can see there was a move here and it was never refused. So that's another confirmation for this buy. So if I can get a big break and retest, I will carry it at least maybe to here or higher as well. Depends on how it breaks. Do you understand? So I'm looking to buy this as well. I'll be looking to buy GU as well. All I need is my confirmation, then I get in. So let me recap again. EURGBP, I will be looking to sell it because of all these gaps. If it gives me the confirmation of a break and retest, that means GJ, I'll be looking to buy it. If it gives me the break and retest, GCAD, I'm still looking to sell until this trend line is broken, because it is long overdue for a sell. You know how many weeks we've been waiting for it. GU, I'm looking to buy. AUD, USD, I'm looking to buy. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope you guys are learning. Please, it's December, Christmas time. A lot of people don't like trading around this time, but if you actually know what you're doing, you always wait for your confirmations. You should be good. So I will hope this week is profitable for you guys. I hope you gain. I hope you make money. And please reach out to me if you have any questions, if you need a mentorship, if you want me to, get you in to the independent stage where you can sit down in your home, house, make money for yourself. Thanks, guys. See you next week. Bye.